Hello, this is Retro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cartoony style effect in Blender. So first, make sure that the viewport shading is set to rendered so that you can see what you're doing. Now go to world properties and make sure that the world strength is set to something like 15, nice and bright. Next, go to render properties, go to color management, then make sure that view transform is set to raw, and then select use curves. Open the curves area and then change your black level blue to -200 and your white level blue to +200. Now you can tweak the black level red green and the white level red green until it looks cartoony. This will differ from scene to scene, so it won't be the same, but you can try and use the same settings as me, it might work. You should aim to get something that looks like this with very clearly defined colors with high contrast. If you want a sharper kind of effect that looks more retro, you can turn down the gamma and you can see that it's the colors are very sharp. If you want it to be shadows, then go and turn on ambient occlusion. I like to put this way up. Something like this. And it gives you a pretty cool effect. It's really quite a artistic process trying to get this right. The curves modifier wasn't really intended to be used this way, but if you keep tweaking the settings and stuff, you'll probably eventually end up with a result that you like. So I've done some tweaking and I've ended up with a style that I'm fairly happy with. So I'm going to render now and do some post-processing. So that's how I went from this to this. Thank you for watching, I hope you have fun trying this yourself, and goodbye.